Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. If you ever wanted to share your files between your devices, phone and computer without any internet, cables or ads, then you are going to love this one. Today I am going to show you LocalSend, a 100% free open source file sharing app that works across Windows, macOS, Linux, Android and iOS, all without needing an account or cloud services. Let's jump right into it. You can see now I am visiting web.localsend.org. In this place, you don't need to be login or sign up. You need to be visit the site in your another device. Then you can see the device list here, and you can just click on the device and you can share the file between these devices. And you can also download the software for your Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, etc. you need. Now I will see you that how can you share your files between Windows and Android devices with software. A few seconds ago I show you how can you share this with web view. Now you can see that I have installed Windows local send application. Now you can see that I have opened by Android devices and I search local send on Android Play Store, and now you can see I have downloaded the local send Android application and I have opened that application and both devices are connected on same internet connection. Now you can see my local send PC showing the device name, that secret tomato. You can see that now I can share the file between these two devices. You can see I am in my PC right now, and let's select a file and then I will send it to the my phone. Click this and click on the add, and you can also add more files if you want, and you can also check my phone that I click on send and it sent it to my phone. Okay, now let's go to the phone screen and I will share some files from my phone to PC. You can see the photo I have received from the phone, and now I will send a picture to my Windows device. And you can edit this and let's select on the device which device you want to send, and please select on accept, and you can see that file I have received on this PC. So you don't need to be see any ads or anything else. It's just pure application and it will not take a lot of space or there is no background running issues.